Alright, so here I have two mini carrier comforts right here, and two Trane XB1000s. Right here, here's this little carrier that's running. It has a Copeland scroll. Emerson. Fan motor. And it's from 2022, so it's a little bit newer, and it's a 1.5 ton. There's a little Trane XB. Clamp to free zip. Has a GE motor. Here's this one that's running, or that's awesome. Line that definitely has not been running, that's hot actually. 2004, 1.5 ton. These are all 1.5 tons. Here's this other carrier. This is not open. Wish it were. These are all fenced in for some reason. That's a Copeland Emerson scroll. These are straight cools. 2022, 1.5 ton. I can't tell if that has been running or not because I can't feel the line. I'll feel here if it's been running. That might just be the afternoon sun. It's pretty hot out, so. We climb up for zip. What is that on the back? Is that a filter or something? 2004, 1.5 ton. That was the last unit. Okay. And it is the phone right here. 1:25 p.m. right here. 1:25. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.